Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Technical Seal. Today we are here with the brand new video of today. I'm going to show you how to remove the watermark or how to register wondershare FILMORA for free. So watch the video till the end so you can learn how to remove watermark. If you are new in the channel, go to the channel, like, subscribe and press the bell icon so you'll never miss update from us. So let's get started. Open wondershare FILMORA. I have given you the link in the description. You can download wondershare FILMORA from there. After it has been downloaded, open it. It's going to be open. So wondershare FILMORA version 8.7.1 is going to be open. So it has been open. Click on the full feature mode. Click on the full feature mode. Let's turn off our Wi-Fi. So import the video to the FILMORA. After importing the video, edit it according to your need. Then export. Click on the create video. Okay. So wondershare FILMORA has not been activated. You are using the trial version, so let's use trial version. So let's export it. So guys, you can look while video is going to be exported, it shows the watermark. It has said at the beginning that if you will use trial version, then it will show the watermark. So if you want to remove the watermark, follow the steps given by me. Okay, click on the cross. First, go to the export, create video. Okay, then click on the activate. So you will need the license email and registration code. I have given the license email and registration code at the description. You can automatically copy from there. So let's open the license key and description for wondershare FILMORA. So you can use any license key. I'm using. Be sure that the Wi-Fi should be turned off, otherwise it will not be activated. So turn off your Wi-Fi and activate wondershare FILMORA. Then click on the registration, then click activate. Then you can see wondershare FILMORA has been activated. So if you export the video, if you export this video, then it will not show the watermark. It has been activated successfully. So let's see the video. It is in downloads. So let's watch the video. We have exported it successfully. So guys, you can see our wondershare FILMORA has been activated successfully and the watermark has been removed. So you can use the key to remove the watermark. I have given the link in the description. You can copy and paste and activate your FILMORA and use at home. So if you like the video, like this video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you'll never miss update. Thank you for watching. Thank you.